A bitch is out of town. Clearly I'm out in these streets again on another trip. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Amber Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. I am currently in Aspen, Colorado. Yay! So one of my homegirls, it's her 25th birthday. But shout out to my girl Charnesia. She invited me on this trip. I said, "Bet, say less. I'm pulling up." I'm be cold. I'm freezing my ass off because it's hard to be cute in the cold. When you packing for the winter, it's hard because you got these fat ass coats and shit taking up space, and I didn't want my shit to be overweight. And then this is the first time I flew United, so I was nervous, but it wasn't that bad. The process was not that bad. The plane was like small and tight, but whatever. Luckily, it was only a 2-hour or an hour-and-a-half flight from LAX to get here. So yeah, right now I'm just waiting on everybody else. They pulling up. They should get here in like another hour. But y'all, so I worked last night. Let me tell you. I know y'all don't care about none of this, and we're gonna get to this shit. But yeah, I'm just talking right now. So y'all, I went to work last night. Okay, y'all know I work overnight, 12-hour shifts. I had to play sick so that I could get off in time to go home, take a nap, grab my shit, and get to the airport. I got on all black tight combo boots. Here's my fat ass luggage, and I got my Telfar bag. But I will catch y'all when everybody else get here. One of the other girls is already here, so I'm finna find out where she is in the airport, because I am just sitting here, you guys. That's the bitch that was yelling at me about my motherfucking mask. Dumb asshole. But anyways, Aspen Airport is like so tiny.
Where we at?
All the little spotlights out there.
They got Nick, you know, so like roaches in here. So you can take a nice picture right there too.
You know how far it is from the house.
I'm talking about like this top.
So what the actual damn house is?
I'm talking about when they come
I'm finna send you the instructions they sent me.
Okay. Yeah, come in until you see the deer folk.
Oh!
He's on, child. No.
No, he hit something.
Child. He gonna have to pay for it. What was it?
It was just like a island. Oh.
Okay.
We've been turning that thing for the longest.
This is the house.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Okay.
It took long enough, child. Cut these lights on.
You've been here before?
It's actually my house.
Well, thanks for renting it out to us.
I heard somebody say, "How you do that?" I was like, "Oh, okay."
Okay, let's see.
Nah, Kilo.
Okay,
Check.
let's see.
Yeah.
This the way here.
Damn these fucking lights.
It's this fucking shower, bro.
Bitch.
It's this fucking
Yes, bitch.
This the way,
We can't even fucking figure out how the lights work. If don't nobody want this, I'll take this.
I'll take the one upstairs.
I'll take this, I guess. Alright, y'all. This my little spot for the weekends. closet, bathroom. Cute little shower. It's another bedroom.
It's real light though.
It's real light, but it's snow, bitch.
But it's cold.
It's snow, bitch. We from Alabama, nigga. We don't get this too often. You heard? It's up and it's stuck, bitch.
Yeah, it's everybody on my steps. Somebody lift it up. Yeah, lift it up.
What's the game? Tickle foot, nigga, right? Two players who have known each other the longest take a drink together.
Why the fuck I still gotta do my pie?
No, it's them two. Say what? The two players.
Siblings. How the fuck is
They don't count. We can't do siblings.
One happy belated birthday.
It's a what now? What's the
The two players that know each other the longest.
Ain't no nigga D.
I got so bad.
It's them two. Because
I see. On the liquor police. Cheers to friendship. Stop playing games.
What the fuck I say? I got one out here.
Drink if you got a kid.
drink, motherfucking drink. Up to it, down to it. Fuck those who don't do it.
Y'all take one together.
I love it. Yeah.
Cheers to the kids.
Yes, cheers to the Cheers to the keys.
We making it a motherfucking celebration. Oh! What you saying?
All I'm gonna say is, give me the March the 2nd.
It's goddamn the 2-7 game is a little.
Period. Family in this beach, cause who the fuck you thought we in? We in Aspen, Colorado. Who you
You
know?
want to say traveling, living life.
Who you know?
Don't fuck with us.
Period.
Don't fuck with us.
Who fucking is?
Can you blind me, dick? Can you blind me, dick? Can you blind me?
Rich gang. Good morning, you guys from Aspen, Colorado. So I just kind of want to show y'all a little bit of our Airbnb while it's daytime. So this is a, what they call it, a game suite or something like that. It's got like a pool table, I think, and some other shit over there, and it has a bedroom. So someone is staying over there. The guys out here working on the internet. Oh, I love this place. This is dope. Got chairs, sit out there. So yeah, this is the front of the house. Like I said, the other one, like, we got access to all of this. This half, like from this door right here, that's a guest house. So 2 people staying over there. Then this is like the main. So let's go back inside. Now that y'all see the outside. Okay, front door, got the key lock. First walk in. Hi. So this way is like a little wash room, half bath. Got a little bar going on down here. Look at that view, bitch. What's up here? Office. Bedroom. It's a bathroom. Washer and dryer. Then another patio. That's a grill. Look at the view, y'all. We have a jacuzzi. Yes. So that's the house tour, you guys. A little something real nice. Having a good time out here so far. We're waiting on one more person to come from the airport. She arrived today, and then we're gonna hit Aspen, hit the city, because right now we're in Carbondale. We're actually staying in Carbondale. It's the city right outside of Aspen. Life is good. God is good. I'm blessed. Let me put y'all on real quick. Liquid IV. Show that bit. Woo! Yes, you see the feet. Ooh. Like this, you get some light, and we got Aspen Beach. Woo! Oh my gosh, y'all, what's going on? So we are getting ready for the all white birthday dinner. So I don't really like my outfit, but it's gonna have to do. So it's from Fashion Nova. Have on some Shein mules. I literally just painted my toes, so I'm not feeling my hair. It's not even. We're rushing. Okay, Keith, let me see your all white. It's me. Okay. Ooh, I'm getting the fit. Getting the yes, booty. It's like you.
A little bit of burrata with the confit tomato and just a little bit of onion and vinegar foam.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, I'm ready to take a shot. I did pawn my stuff. Oh, I pawned her. Oh, we be ready. We be ready. Come on, let's take it.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for having us.
We're just happy to be here, you feel me? We just lifting it up.
Nobody else. Cheers. First shot of the day.
Perfect.
lunch break. Got us some hamburgers.
Would anybody like a chocolate chip cookie for dessert?
Yes, chocolate chip cookies. That's some shots.
See the dogs in the front yard, just go upstairs. I'm going home.
Oh, yeah.
Kids know tonight I'm going home.
B-ball.
It's my last night, so just know I'm going home.
As you should.
Shout out to him saving the camera. Okay. What did I do? You finna get ready to go? Finna go eat? Finna go. Oh, everybody getting the shot. I hope so.
Come on now.
Yeah. Anybody got an extra pair of gloves? This is birthday girl. Checking out the 42.
Let me give me a ginger ale.
I'll be like, oh, I gotta chase it.
Give me a ginger ale.
They're trying to keep us down.
I know how you boys like to rock your dog. This beach.
Bye. I hope y'all enjoyed this footage. I hope y'all can hear me right now. Currently headed to the airport. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video.